today I'm here to share with you a couple products from Lock-N-Lube. If you're not familiar with Lock-N-Lube, you have got to check them out. In fact, I'm going to show you one cheap thing they make that I want you to get, and I guarantee you after you get that, you'll be back for the other products I'm going to show you here today. Absolutely excellent company and great stuff. You know what, just recently a couple of viewers commented that my reviews mean a little bit more to them than some other channels because my channel's not polished. And that's exactly it. I'm just like you guys. I'm out here working 2 full-time jobs trying to post when I can. I work hard for my money, and I know you work hard for yours. So when I share products with you, trust and believe they're worth every penny of that money you're working hard for. These products I'm going to show you today are no different. So let's get right into it. So before I get into Lock-N-Lube's DYNABOOST grease gun and their adapter kit that I'm really excited to share with you today, let me show you one thing I want you to get from them to check this company out if you're not familiar with them already. And it's the Lock-N-Lube grease coupler. This thing is absolutely amazing. I'm telling you, you buy this, you will be back to get more stuff. You just squeeze the trigger, you see the arms come out. As it locks onto your Zerk fitting, that sleeve is coming down over and it cannot pull off. I absolutely love this. How many times have we been in there? Some of the grease guns need 2 hands. You can't hold this the coupler onto the fitting while you're trying to squeeze grease out. It's popping off. Absolute mess. This here makes this a one-handed operation. You put this on your Zerk fitting, now you can focus on your grease gun. Now some grease guns need 2 hands. This does not. We're going to be able to one pump this. So now let's get into the grease gun. The Lock-N-Lube DYNABOOST is a high-pressure, low-pressure grease gun. It will do up to 12,000 PSI. You don't have to do a thing. Hook it up to your Zerk fitting, start pumping away. If it hits a high-pressure situation, it's automatically going to adjust itself, and you're going to see a little green indicator pop out there. That lets you know that it's in high-pressure mode. When you're done and you disconnect the coupler from the Zerk fitting, it's going to automatically reset back to the low pressure. You get a 20-inch flexible hose on here. One thing I love, the storage on top. You just simply lock it right on the top there. Again, if you're familiar with grease guns and greasing things, you know that when we store these things, grease is leaking out the ends. Having this storage bit right there makes that so much easier, a lot cleaner when we get it back out later. Another feature we have on the side here is for bulk filling, and this is also where we can bleed out some air. But it's a very simple one-handed operation, and it includes the Lock-N-Lube grease coupler that I can't say enough about. So now let's go over the adapter kit and the pieces you're going to get in there. So taking a look at this kit, we have a simple 90, and this is good for getting to those hard to reach fittings that might be behind guards or other areas where we don't have a lot of space. We have a 90-degree adapter, and with this front piece here, give it one full rotation, it'll open up 3 jaws, so you can put it under your fitting and then tighten it back down, and it'll stay locked on there so it doesn't pop off on you. And you see the clearance here. This is another one that's great for getting to those hard to reach fittings. Then we have a slip-on 90, and this is probably one of my favorites. If you have a really tight, you have a fitting here and maybe a guard or a piece of machinery here, another arm, and you can't get in there, this will just push right on and lock on nice and tight. This is one of my favorites right here. And we're going to see if we have a practical application I can show you on this one. Then we have our narrow needle and our narrow needle XL. And these are going to be good for putting a fine bead of caulk on shafts, things like that. Maybe greasing your PTO shaft and other applications like that. Then we have our grease injector needle. And this is great for doing sealed bearings and CV joints. And then we have our recess fitting adapter, and it's cup shaped. This one here is great for, like on a flail mower, for example. I know you have a grease fitting that might be inside the guard. You can reach in there, and with the way this is cupped, you can get it from different angles and get grease right into that fitting that might be deep inside a guard. And then finally, our seal off adapter. This is going to be great for doing grease plugs, chainsaw tips, and other grease ports that don't necessarily have Zerk fittings. But overall, just a very complete kit. Nice roll-up bag. Absolutely love it. Okay, now that we've seen what the adapter kit offers, let's go ahead and put a tube of grease in here and take a look at some practical applications. Now, starting right off, any fitting we're using, every single one of these fittings is just going to hook right on to our quick connector here and lock on nice and tight. I absolutely love this. I can't say enough about this stuff. I grease a lot of stuff, guys. If I sound overexcited, I am. This is just a great product. This here, we slide it up there, we lock on, and then the sleeve comes down, and that keeps that nice and tight. And again, we have one full rotation on here to open up these jaws, and then we can tighten it back down over the fitting we're going to fill. That is not popping off. On our straight 90 here, same thing, and I believe they say about half a rotation on this to open up these 3 arms, and then again tighten that down over the fitting, and that's going to keep that locked on nice and tight. And you see our green button popping out here because these hinges are tight. And there, that's all full. And then as soon as we release, the green button goes back in. Let's go ahead and do another one of these. Now these hinges are pretty tight, so we're going to go ahead and keep an eye on this pressure button here. And you see it's starting to come out, showing us we're in high pressure mode. And right there, we got our grease out in just what, 2 or 3 pumps? And then as soon as I release it, this is going to go back in and reset itself. So now we have these fittings on the hydraulic cylinder of the dump trailer. So now we're always going to clean off the grease fitting before we hook up our grease gun, so we're not pushing dirt into the fitting. Now this is pretty simple, to just stick this right on there and grease this. But let's pretend we had a piece of metal here and you couldn't get to that. Let's go to the other side and check out that situation. So on the other side of that cylinder now, same fitting, just on the other side. Let's pretend we had a piece of metal right here and you couldn't get into this, and even the 90s wouldn't be able to get into that tight area. That's where I love this slip-on 90. You'll take notice inside there, you see that little indent. That's where the grease fitting is going to settle in. So we just simply slide that straight down on, and you hear it click on and lock on. And now I don't have to hold anything up here. These fittings all hold themselves on very nice. As soon as I have it full, just pop it right back off. And so there you can see where the grease was coming out, where that indent is. But again, guys, this slip-on 90 is probably one of my favorite fittings. Now, one of my harder to reach fittings, right down inside the loader arms on the Kubota here. Now for this, we can use the regular lock-on coupler. I can sit back and just one hand fill my fittings up. So next we have the stump grinder attachment for the PTO. Now this has some recessed grease fittings that are inside here, and we have one recessed down inside there. None of these are a problem for these fittings. So now here, the regular quick coupler won't fit down in there, so we're going to use our quick 90. Too easy, guys. Too easy. And then we have the backhoe here. Same situation. Fittings recessed inside, that we can use that simple 90 again. I mean, there isn't a fitting we can't get to on any piece of machinery that I have. Now I know you're thinking that's all good and cool and everything, but what about us automotive guys? Trust me, I work on trucks more than I work on anything else. Let's take a look at an upper ball joint. The regular old Lock-N-Lube coupler will fit right in here and lock on there nice and tight. I don't need to hold it with 2 hands. I mean, what do you want to see? You name a fitting on any piece of machinery, you'll be able to get to it with this grease gun and this coupler kit. Now I already know somebody's not going to be happy until we hit a U-joint, so let's go ahead and get one of those out of the way. So now, normally we would rotate this around to the biggest opening, but one, the truck doesn't move right now. I've got it propped up on the back end, And two, I want to show you that even in this tight area, we can get in there with the standard Lock-N-Lube grease coupler. Lock right on there. I'm telling you, with this kit, there is no fitting you can't reach. And another option here, again, if you had a fitting that was inside of a guard, like inside of a 4 or 5 inch deep guard on like a flail mower, you could use your recessed cup and get right in there as well. So I really hope you found this review helpful, and hopefully I was able to show you some real-world applications on how you can use this stuff around your home or garage. Again, absolutely excellent stuff, but don't even buy the grease gun yet, and don't buy the coupler set yet. Just get the Lock-N-Lube coupler alone. I promise you'll be back for the other stuff. These are excellent products, guys. Like I said, I work hard for my money. I know you work hard for yours, and we're not just buying every gimmick that pops up on the internet. This stuff is no gimmick. I absolutely love it. American made, you will not be disappointed. So if you like this review, please hit it with a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my playlist, Product Use and Reviews, for other great products. I'm going to have links in the video description down below on where you can buy the grease gun, just the coupler to start off with that if you like, and this 8-piece quick connect set. As always, I really appreciate you watching, and thank you for supporting the channel.